Hello and welcome to the Humbrol YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the new Humbrol detail brushes which are available now. The main design feature of Humbrol detail brushes is the enlarged section on the handle, which makes for comfortable use over long periods of time and gives greater control over the brush. At the business end of these brushes you'll find 4 different sizes of natural hair bristles in a fine pointed pattern. Because the pack contains 4 different sizes of brush, this covers a wide range of modelling applications. Here the largest brush is being used to block in base colours whilst still maintaining a high degree of control over the paint. Moving on to the finer details on this 1/48 scale Airfix British Infantryman, and the smallest brush is now being used to block in the colours on the finer details such as around the face. The soft natural bristles conform easily to the surface contours of the model, which greatly improves the control of paint application. The fine points enable details to be picked out whilst keeping the paint neat and tidy. Here the Desert DPM camouflage pattern is being applied to the surface of the model, and thanks to the enlarged section on the handle of Humbrol detail brushes, it's almost as easy as using a pen or a pencil. When working over a light coloured base coat, it's best to build up the camouflage scheme gradually to avoid making any mistakes which would be difficult to cover over. As well as the application of enamel and acrylic paint, Humbrol detail brushes can be used for the pinpoint application of washes. Here a dark brown enamel wash is being flowed into some of the recessed details to add depth to the finish of the model. And here you can see the end result, which is a neat and tidy paint job with tons of depth, which only took a couple of hours from start to finish. If you wanted to take it a step further, you could use the Humbrol detail brushes to paint in some highlights and shadows. The Humbrol detail brush shouldn't be forgotten when weathering either, as its pinpoint application is useful for a variety of techniques. Here you can see Humbrol metal coat being applied carefully onto the surface of an Airfix Spitfire to replicate paint which has been chipped off the exterior of the aircraft. The Humbrol detail brush is great for this simple weathering process because of its fine point and enlarged handle, which gives good control over the paint. So if you're looking for a brush with a degree of finesse for those smaller projects where you need high control and maximum detail, then why not give the Humbrol detail brush a try on your next project. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.